Welcome to STR IAS. So, in the yesterday's lecture, we have seen about the basics of microeconomics, and we'll be continuing with that. And I'll be revising some things which we have learned yesterday. So, I told that we are learning economy because we have one problem, the basic economic problem, that is, we have unlimited wants and needs, but we have a scarcity of resources or limited resources. Another name for resources is factors of production. Today I'll be dealing with what are the four factors of production. Okay, whenever there is a scarcity, then we have to choose among the things. For example, I have 10 acres of land, right? So I said that I can whether choose to grow wheat or t-shirts production, right? So I have to choose among themselves. So choice is necessary. So whenever the choice is necessary, there will be opportunity cost. If I choose to grow wheat, I will be foregoing the production of t-shirts. That is nothing but I will be foregoing the next best option. Okay. Then whenever there is scarcity, we should use the resources in a efficient manner. So there are two types of efficiencies. One is productive efficiency, another one is allocative efficiency. For example, 10 acres of land can give 1000 kgs of wheat. Okay, if I can produce that, then it will be having 100% efficiency. If it is not, if I am producing only 500 kgs of wheat by using 10 acres of land with a poor management, what happens? It is its productive efficiency will decrease. And one more thing is, so in economy there is more demand for wheat, but what I have done is I'm very lazy and I'm a BTech guy, so engineering guy, so I don't wanna like work on the field, so I've gone for t-shirt production. It means that the demand is for wheat, but I am producing t-shirts. Here allocative, what I'm allocating to the market, which is not useful, right? At that point of time, at that heat, the demand is for wheat, but I am producing t-shirts, so allocative efficiency will be zero. Fine. Allocation is nothing. Allocative efficiency is nothing but allocating the things according to the demand from the market. Okay. Whenever there is scarcity, then we have to use it in an efficient manner, and we have to use such that the quality and quantity of these resources should not decrease, and it should be same, and it should be useful for the future generations. We won't be there here for 1000 years. We will be here for 100 years maximum. So we have to give the resources to our future generations also. That is nothing but sustainability. And whenever there is scarcity, there will be rationing is necessary. How will be ration? We will be rationing with the help of price. No means only one people or few people will be getting all the things, or else using all the things. Okay. So whatever we are doing rationing is due to scarcity. Then we'll be getting a price. The goods which is having a price and which needs to be rationed and which is scarce is called economic good. And if there is no scarcity, for example, sunlight. So do anyone pay money to get sunlight? No, right? So no price and it is a free good. Okay, whenever scarcity there should be a choice. This we have seen. Then the difference between free good and economic good. When it comes to free goods, they are not scarce. They are not scarce. We have seen sunlight as an example. We won't pay any price, and we won't be having any opportunity cost. Okay, economic good will be having opportunity cost, and it is scarce. It might be a natural resource like land, oil, or else it may be some product which is made up of natural resource. For example, car is made up of aluminum, iron, or bauxite, or something which we get from natural resource. Fine. Then free good versus free of charge goods. Free good, again example, sunlight. There will be no opportunity cost, but free of charge goods are of two types. One is government provided good, and another one is common pool of resources. For example, forests, wildlife, rivers, and all these are common pool of resources. They are scarce, but they are available for everyone. Okay, and these free of charge goods will be having free rider problem. We can see that there is a mission called Clean Ganga mission, right? So here government will be using some money and it will be cleaning Ganga. So from where the money will be getting? The money will be getting from taxes. But clean Ganga will be used by everyone irrespective of if they have paid taxes or if they have not paid taxes also they will be using. For example, free bus travel, which is a government provided goods, it has an opportunity cost. Instead of free bus travel, they might have given free education for women, free education for girls, or else they might have created some more schools in rural areas. So they have foregone the best options here. Next best options here. Okay. Then we have seen utility. Utility is nothing but satisfaction or happiness that is arrived when you use the good or services. When you consume the goods or services, you will be getting some happiness or satisfaction, that is called utility. So think that we are in summer now. Yes. So we have gone out by 12 p.m. right? Yeah, 12 p.m. and you came home by 2 p.m. in the scorching heat. So first thing you'll get from your home is a glass of water. Yes. So for glass of cool water, first glass of water will be giving you maximum happiness or maximum satisfaction. Second glass, that satisfaction will little decrease. Third glass, some more decrease. Fourth glass, if they offer you fourth glass, you will be telling that no, I am fine. Yes. So here satisfaction or utility is decreasing when you are consuming the next unit. Yes. So we can take the example of ice cream also. Fine. If you have first ice cream, you'll be feeling very happy. Second ice cream, you'll be telling that okay, you'll be feeling that somewhat okay. Third ice cream, will be telling that you'll be having half and you'll be throwing half. Fourth ice cream, you won't purchase itself. So this concept is called diminishing marginal utility. Diminishing marginal utility. Utility is nothing but extra utility gained from consuming one more unit of a product. First class, second class, one more unit of a product. How much you are getting is called marginal utility. This marginal utility, when you consume one more unit, it will diminish, it will decrease. Okay. So what are the exceptions for this law of diminishing marginal utility? Sometimes they might ask or sometimes they may not ask, but we should be perfect from all the corners. So we'll be telling about these things also: exceptions, unconditional love, habits. Those who are misers, we cannot say like how much they get also they won't be satisfied. Addiction, power, money. Then so basic economic problem is unlimited wants and needs, but we have limited resources. Yes. So whenever this problem is there, we'll be having some questions to answer. So we'll be telling that what goods we should produce and how much of goods we should produce. What goods and services we should produce and how much of goods to be produced. Then second question will be how to produce. And third question will be for whom to be produced. So these questions, what and how much to be produced, is the problem of allocation. Okay. And how to produce means what is the method? We'll be using labor intensive methods or technology intensive. I mean using machines, robots. We'll be making goods. Fine. For whom we should make? For poor, or else for middle class, or for rich people? For whom we should make it? Or else we have to give it to certain part of the country for military class, or else certain part of the country, northeast people or south Indian people or north Indian people. So this distribution. So when you ask these questions, you'll be having two major opinions. So two major opinions. One will be telling that why we have to bother that much. Let market decide. Let market forces decide. For example, I'm a human being. I need some daily necessities. Daily necessities. For example, if I am demanding 1 kg of rice per day. Okay. So if I am demanding this, market will be giving it to me according to the supply. So if farmers get more crop and their production is very high, I'll be getting this through the market at good price. If crop failure happens and if there is no stock, then I have to pay more for this product. Here, my demand and the farmer's supply is determining the, where is it? Where is it? Yeah, is determining the price. Is determining the price. So they say that let market forces decide whatever we want. People will be demanding. So according to that, we can produce. So here resources are owned by private individuals, and they will be deciding the deciding what to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce. Okay, what to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce. It will be decided by private individuals. Fine. Then when it comes to another opinion, so another opinion, they'll be telling that no, government should take care because everything is scarce. If government takes care, then they will decide like in a good way, or else the government will decide whom should get what. Okay, here resources will be owned by government, and government also will be making decisions about what, how, and whom. Fine. So that is planned economy or command economy or control economy. If India is a free market economy or else planned economy, what do you say? So India is a mixed economy. India is a mixture of both. Not only India, many countries in this world is of mixed economy. So, but degree of mix varies from one economy to another